Hey everyone, hey friends and family and oil adrenaline friends and family. I felt like talking about diffusers today. One of my team members asked me some questions because they had a new team member. I'm trying to show you the colors. They had a new team member signing up today and they were trying to figure out which diffuser they liked. And my mom recently bought the lantern version of this one, which is really cool. It's just the same as this desert mist one with as far as the colors, but I will have to post a picture of it below in the comments because it's super cute too in a different way. So what am I diffusing right now? I am diffusing orange. It is like a happy, happy, joy, joy oil. It smells wonderful and it reminds me of just sitting and enjoying peeling a bunch of oranges and that fresh smell when you first peel them and making fresh orange juice and then like cutting up a pineapple and adding it. So it just gives me these warm, fuzzy pineapple orange juice loving vibes and feelings. So, and I've found orange is good for other things a lot lately too, like ants don't like it. And some other health and wellness blessings and goodies as well. So I will literally like take my diffuser. I have another one too that I use and I will just rotate it from room to room if I'm trying to get rid of unwanted pests or anything. If I see anything, I will just diffuse like peppermint and cypress in one room for a couple hours and then I'll switch it to another room and I'll just keep switching it. I have another diffuser that is basically an atomizer diffuser and you hook up the oil straight to it on the inner parts. You hook up the oil directly to it and I run that every night. And I will put either some good sleep support oils like cedarwood, lavender, aroma seeds, or I will do some breathing support, just kind of depending on what's going on. So I'll hook up that RC or eucalyptus oil right to that atomizing diffuser. I actually have an old atomizing diffuser called TheraPro, but it is, I found out, no longer compliant. We are praying for, we're praying about all of this wonderful stuff going on. But anyway, I have one of the old ones, yay, before it became non-compliant. But Young Living does still have an atomizing diffuser called Aromalux, and it does all the same things. It's getting those oils directly into the air and without even water. So this diffuser, the Desert Mist, it does use water, and you can put it on lots of different settings depending on how long you want to run it, and if you want to see the candle flicker, or like right now it's rotating all the different LED light colors. Orange for orange. Yellow. And the candle flicker looks kind of like that, and that's one of the settings on this. So who uses their diffuser every day? Raise your hand. Two if you have two or more. So we have several different kinds of diffusers. We have like a wood base one with the glass covering, and that covers a greater area, a greater territory, like for a really big living room. We have a clay-based one, so those aren't plastic-based, so that's really nice. And both of those have remote controls. That's also neat. So some of the other things about diffusers. Did you know that diffusing essential oils comes with so many benefits? It is an effective way to improve your memory, cognitive function, focus. Many essential oils create a soothing effect when you're stressed. We talked about peace and calming the other day. I kind of wish I was diffusing that right now because I feel like I still need some. Has anyone else been feeling just this something in the atmosphere, like, whew, high levels? And I know stuff that's going on, and we're praying big time for resolutions, and, you know, the Lord, really. The Lord's the answer in my book. And in his book, in his book, the Word of God, right? Keeping that first and foremost. So there are also Several oils that are known for balancing the body's hormones, which we love this. If you're over 30 or over 40, really any age, right? There's hormonal needs going on to keep balanced. And it distributes essential oils into the air, creating the positive effects on the whole body. It's an effective way to address physical, mental, emotional, and even spiritual issues. Emotions are often said to be the root cause of many physical illnesses. And, you know, like Jesus said, things happen to us as we have believed, right? So when we breathe oil molecules in from the essential oil diffuser, our amygdala, nice big word, is activated. And the amygdala is located in the brain, and it manages your emotions and your memories. So, like, if you've ever smelled, you know, pumpkin pie in the oven, what does that make you think of? So things like that. Just like at the beginning, I was talking about what I think of when I open the bottle of orange. All those delicious peeling oranges, fresh orange juice, throwing some pineapple in there. Yeah. So, here are some wonderful benefits of essential oil diffusers and using them. It removes unpleasant odors and airborne pathogens, obviously. It relaxes the mind and body. We love that. It relieves tension and stress. We love that too. It improves mental clarity. It clears the mind. It calms emotions, and it increases alertness. You can do peppermint, clarity. These are some of the oils that help with alertness. It cleanses the air. I know people have used Thieves oil, essential oil, to cleanse the air. And purification is another one. It has positive effects on our moods. It opens your airways. I just got a picture of like a husband and wife arguing or something, and then the wife like pulls out her diffuser and puts some, you know, joy oil or orange oil or peace and calming in there, and like, praise, counts on the Lord, just like things easing. It opens your airways. It helps with weight management, improves concentration, and strengthens the immune system over time. That's like my Ningxia drink. It improves and strengthens the immune system over time. Not to mention, it's much safer than candles and incense. If you Google the dangers of these things, you will see. And you will have, you know that you have an amazing alternative that does not hurt the, well, we'll let you Google it. And it's so simple to do. So, yeah, so we talked about all the, like some of the different diffusers we have. We have clay, we have a wood one with glass. And those have remote controls and do different, you know, the different lighting settings. Now it's green. Green for growing. Lots of growing right now. Aren't we all growing a lot right now? I feel like we are all, I mean, probably some are resisting that growth, but I think a lot of us are really growing and getting challenged in a lot of growing ways. So other diffusers, we have a car vent diffuser. We have the dewdrop and the desert mist. This is the desert mist. We have Feather the Owl, super cute for kids. We have, let's see if we have another. We have the Gentle Mist Personal Diffuser. Okay, that one is like, you can take it anywhere. USB, plug, you know, charge it, unplug it, and wireless. So that's awesome for those of us that would love to be off the grid one day. That would be great. The Lantern Diffuser, super cute. I'm going to get a picture below for that. My mom recently got it and she's loving it. And then we have the Orb, the Rainstone, which is the clay base, the Sweet Aroma Diffuser, and then we have two other little USB diffusers that come in black and purple. Oh. The Sweet Aroma Diffuser is another ultrasonic diffuser, and it looks kind of like a basket. It has a neat little like gray basket weave going on. So If you have any questions, comment below or PM me. I just felt like I was supposed to share about diffusers today. And again, I was getting ready to do just a regular post and like put some pictures and share it. And again, I kept hearing, get on, do the video, do the video. So here I am. I'm doing the video for somebody out there. I'm guessing you just really wanted to know more about diffusers today. So be blessed. And please hit like, subscribe, share with any friends or family that you know need this breathing support, need the sleep support, need just a change in their air and atmosphere, and you know that a diffuser would be very helpful to their life and lifestyle. So share, and send them some love, and I will talk to you soon. Love y'all. Bye.